Hello, I want to show you, just a review, on how to go from the standard type form to slope-intercept form. And the whole point is to get y by itself equaling something that resembles this. Okay, so we're going to make this into this form. Now, the goal is to get y by itself, and the thing to move first is what is over here, not attached to y. This 3x is easier to move, so we're going to do this first. This is a positive 3x, so we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. We must do whatever we do to this side, we have to do to this side. This equal sign is what separates both sides. So this will turn to 0, and you now have negative 2y. And I'm going to write this to look like this. I'm just changing the way it looks. I'm not changing the value. So that's still a negative 3x, and that is still a negative 8. Now, I need y by itself. This right here, the negative 2 next to the y, means I'm multiplying. So I want to do the opposite, and I want to divide. So I'm going to divide this whole thing by negative 2. That turns to 1. I end up with y. Now, when I divide by 2, that means I'm dividing that by 2 and that by 2. So that gives a negative and a negative, leave me with a positive 3 halves x. And a negative and a negative means I have a positive 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this would be your answer. Now, another way you could have written it would be y equals 3x divided by 2. This and that, same, plus 4. Now, let's pretend you didn't move this over. Another way to write it would have been y equals 4 plus 3 halves x. We're just changing the way the numbers are presented. Just like if I am 46 years old, I could say 46 times 1. I could say 1 times 46, all the same. I could say negative 1 times negative 46, all 46. I could say 45 plus 1. Or 1 plus 45. They all mean the same. This is the same as this.